And it pulls all that same information right here within Amazon. So who's actually buying it, when, where, what, the pros, the cons, usage scenarios, all those different things that we looked at for the category as a whole. Now, what's really cool is you can actually come here to listing optimization. So it's going to actually look at the listing here and it's going to assess some different keywords or some different framing based on the feedback that can be leveraged to improve the listing. So it's got here a new title, it's got some additional bullet points that again really hone in and tweak what was already on the listing. You can actually copy this over. You can actually go over here to the Schulix Copilot here and you can optimize this even more. So I might want to say, hey, I want to put in here travel guitar, camping guitar, beginner guitar. Because again, we noticed in some of the other keyword analysis that it was good for beginners. You can put requirements, you can put original title, original bullets, etc. and hit submit. Now this is using ChatGPT. So what's good about this, you're not going to have to go over to ChatGPT, do a bunch of prompts, clunk around, go back and forth, copy, paste from Amazon. It's all done here via this Chrome extension, which is one of the things I really dig. So it's got some additional bullets here. I can actually copy this right here and I can pull that into whatever listing thing I'm actually looking to use. Now, the other thing you can do here is actually click on this chat function within the Copilot and you can actually ask questions. It's got some particular prompts here, but let's just say I am selling a folding travel guitar on Amazon. How can I improve it? And then it's got some pretty generic things here. What I could also say is, what features do customers care about? And then it's going to come out with these awesome features here again by assessing the actual category itself. So it's got portability, durability, sound quality, ease of use, and affordability. Now, if you have the paid version, you can also go to Full Insights and create a specific report on this actual product